YouTube. Here's another day. We're doing another street here in Portola Country Club. We might do both sides of the street. Oh, look at this one, man. Here's a little bit down, isn't it? Wow. With the water and everything. Looks like a nice one, huh? Okay, from what I read, I think there's 495 homes in this gated community, and there's 27 homes for sale. So that's like 5% almost. I'm thinking that's kind of a lot. Might have to work both sides of the street. Might have to work both sides of the street here. Yeah, this one here looks nice. But let's go over here. There's a guy in a cart. I always like this one. This greenhouse here. This is kind of different. This one here is kind of different. Okay, on we go. This looks kind of nice. The way they've done this, huh? You drive into this one. And on the other side, across the street, is one of the sellers on the golf course that we're going to flag. this long street we're doing basically just one side. The other side is mostly golf course. Mostly golf course. Yep, not going on with this one here. Oh, this one here is for sale, I believe. I'm going to pause that. This is very colorful bushes here for May, I guess, right? There's some more stuff here. The other day, this is the beginning of that long section of the golf course that we saw. The tee is right here behind this house. It runs down that way. I guess we're about halfway on the street here. This one here is pretty cool. Of course, I like palm trees. So. But this one here looks like it's set up pretty nice. The green one, green bush in the middle would look good if it was blooming. We have trash pickup today, Monday, so there's a lot of, you can kind of tell when people are here versus when they're away, obviously. Hello, hola. Pretty good through here. There's a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of stuff going on. That's another good one. There's another for sale. So we've seen what, 2 and 3, I guess. So it's definitely a buyer's market. Now, okay, let's look at this one. It's got a lot going on in here. Oh, let me get my little space guy here. Okay, little space guy. Simple. I don't like the color. It's pink. If you can look at the information if you need it. peacock up there. And looks like a road there. There's a fountain in the back. And there's another peacock. Those must be lights. And that's pretty cool. And then another peacock. Another road there. Lot going on here. So this one here. Go past the vehicle. Two vehicles. Parked on there. Oh, look at this guy. He's got 4 palm trees. Let me see if I can show you. His property. That's kind of interesting. Okay, we will stop it here. This is where we ended the last one, so we'll stop this one here. So we still have a few more to go do. I have a few to post, but outside of that, we'll go ahead and stop it here.